Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
You didn't say before.
Oh yeah, why didn't you come now?
Unanimously agreed that the presidency of Nigeria be rotated between southern and northern Nigeria, and resolved that the next president of Nigeria should emerge from the south. The forum re-emphasized the need for state police. The forum resolved that if for any reason security institutions need to undertake an operation in any state, the state chief security officer must be duly informed. Industry bill. The forum commends the National Assembly for the progress made in the passage of the PIB. The forum, however, rejects in very strong terms the proposed 3% for host community and supports 5% share of the oil revenue to the host communities as recommended by the House of Representatives. The forum also rejects the proposed 30% share of profits for the exploration of oil and gas in the basins. The forum rejects we will get in the frontier states. The forum rejects the ownership structure of the proposed Nigeria National Petroleum Corporation Limited and disagrees with the company that the company invested in the Federal Ministry of Finance. The forum proposed that the company should be held in trust by the Nigerian Sovereign Investment Authority (NSIA), since all tiers of government have stake in that vehicle.